the large and for smaller foundation models. That's what I was talking about. Like you have options, you have several options, several models that are available. As I said, we have seen a couple of lot of insights in the previous slides on how do we choose the model based on the type of LLMs, based on all the factors that we spoke about. In that, one aspect or one factor that I mentioned was model size, because it is a major area where, because it is directly related to the cost, right? Maintenance, your infrastructure, everything comes into picture. Now we have done a lot of study and we benchmarked as well. Some of the key, I had tried to consolidate the advantages and disadvantages of the large and small foundation models at a very high level. Of course, we've done a lot of experimentation. Any questions come up, I can answer. One is, with large foundation models, the key advantages are it's very high capacity. It's kind of a multi-tasking option that we have. Say, for example, GPT-4 or Llama 3, whatever we are talking, they can do multiple tasks. They can do summarizations, they can do question and answer, they can do this translation, they can do generation, so multiple. So one model can do multitasking. Better performance. These models have been, a lot of I would say, like, implementations and a lot of governance put into place, so it would have a better performance, versatility, where, as I said, it can do multitasking. Basically, these large language models have rich representations. That means different type of data would have gone in training this model. See, I was testing with GPT-4, and I was like quite surprised to see the GPT-4 has been very well trained on SAP data. SAP data, many models failed, but GPT-4 is performing pretty good on SAP data. That is, you see the better representation over there. A lot of research advancement. So people have invested, companies have invested in generating this large model. So you would find better performance over there. And then quicker and effective out-of-box demonstration. See, it's, if you want to do a quicker demonstration, try out something very quickly, experiment, then these large models, you don't need to intervene so much. All you need to do is to prompt it correctly, and it would give you the right answer. So do a very quick and dirty kind of small experimentation, quickly show to your client or to anyone for a demonstration purpose. I think large language models is very much useful.